Saving time with Oracle clips.
Let's jump into another bite-sized video clip about Podman. In this clip, we will quickly explore how layers are used to build a container image. And we will also learn the difference between an image and a container. Layers are used to build the images from which containers are created, so layers are like the building blocks of images. Layers are created as a read-only copy and are the result of running the image building instructions found in a container file. These layers are then collated together into an image. Once created, the image is used as a template which can then be used to create or run a container. Podman uses this image to create a container and adds a read-write layer to the process so the application can work properly. These layers, once downloaded into the Podman cache, can be shared between images and other containers. Here we see three different deployments. All three containers use the same initial layer. Containers number 1 and 2 use the same second layer. A change in any of these shared layers within a running container does not affect the other running containers because each container process is isolated from the others. With these image layers being read-only, any changes, like to a log file, are made within that container's read-write layer. Another benefit of using layers to create containers is that each layer is unique as well as being read-only, meaning the layer only needs to be downloaded once to the physical host. It can be shared with any other image dependent upon it, saving physical storage on the host's computer. This contrasts with a virtual machine where each instance requires its own physical copy to be downloaded. The files comprising each layer are contained within a read-only layer. If anything about the application changes, then the image has to be recreated from the container file. Any changes made whilst the image is running as a container are stored within the container's read-write layer. These changes, whatever they are, including deleting any file, have no effect on the underlying layers below. This is why deleting a file within a container does not affect the image's file size on the host computer. So that's a short introduction to layers in images used to run in Podman containers.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.